Hello from Minnesota. I have a shop full of tomato plants here. I sell at the farmer's market, but I also plant outside. And they are in need of potting up. They have been grown in plugs, and now before hardening them off, we need, or getting them outside, we need to pot them up and give them a little bit more room to grow. So 3.5-inch pot, fill with moist soil. Make sure that this is wet and you don't water it afterwards. Take a little knife, plop out the plant, either handled by the root ball or by the leaves, never by the stem, because if it breaks, you've lost the plant. Push a little hole down in there and make sure that there's contact with the roots and you're good to go. Now, don't put these under the lights yet. Maybe give them a day to adjust, then put them under lights until it's time to harden off. If you want to know about hardening off, check out my website, farmtojar.com.